Hey everyone, welcome back to Helsinki Walks. In this video, I reveal how I made 446 euros in a year from YouTube by walking. Let's dive into the details and see what made this possible. So let's start with the numbers. Over the past year, my channel generated 446 euros from a total of 192k views, which gives an RPM, revenue per mille, of 2.29 euros. This means I earned 2.29 euros for every 1,000 views. My top performing video was Discover the Charms of Helsinki City Center, which earned 42.22 euros. This video alone contributed a significant portion to my overall revenue. Let's talk about what made this video stand out. One of the key changes I made was upgrading my camera from an iPhone 12 to a DJI Pocket 3. The difference in video quality is remarkable. The DJI Pocket 3 offers superior stabilization and 4K resolution, making the viewing experience much more enjoyable for my audience. My advice to walking channels is to upgrade your gear. Besides the top video, other videos like Steamy Helsinki Summer Afternoon and Helsinki Summer 2024, a stunning 4K walking tour, also performed well, contributing 31.66 euros and 22.86 euros respectively. Consistency in uploading high-quality content really paid off. As you can see from the analytics, my revenue and views grew steadily throughout the year. This growth was driven by optimizing video titles, descriptions, and thumbnails to make them more engaging and searchable. Breaking it down month by month, June was the most profitable with 121.21 euros, followed by May with 69.20 euros. The higher revenue in these months was likely due to increased interest in summer activities in Helsinki. Thank you for supporting my channel and helping me achieve this milestone. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the Helsinki Walks community. Your support keeps me going.